Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI tender alert system using n8n. This workflow checks an e-procure portal automatically, extracts new tender listings, filters the latest tenders, scores and summarizes them with AI, logs them in Google Sheets, and sends alerts to the right channels. By the end, you'll have a system that helps you discover relevant tenders without manually checking the portal every day. Step 1. Daily trigger, 9 a.m. This node runs the workflow automatically every day at a fixed time, so the tender check starts without anyone manually opening the portal. Step 2. Initialize variables. This node prepares the basic values needed for the workflow. It keeps the setup clean before we call the eProcure portal. Step 3. Fetch eProcure portal. This node makes a request to the eProcure portal page. Its job is to pull the latest tender page content into the workflow. Step 4. Extract eProcure listings. This node extracts the tender listing data from the portal response. It turns the raw page content into usable tender information. Step 5. Normalize eProcure rows. This node cleans and standardizes the tender rows, so every tender record has a consistent format before filtering. Step 6. Filter new tenders. This node checks which tenders are new. It removes old or already processed tenders from the flow. Step 7. New tenders found. This if node checks whether the workflow actually found any new tenders. If no new tender is found, the workflow can stop without sending unnecessary alerts. Step 8. Top 5 most recent tenders. From the normalized tender rows, we also use top 5 most recent tenders. This node picks the most recent tender records. It keeps the workflow focused on the latest opportunities. Step 9. Merge next. Both paths come into merge. This node combines the tender found check with the selected recent tenders, so the workflow continues only with the right tender data. Step 10. Code in JavaScript. This node prepares the tender data before sending it into the AI step. It structures the items so the AI agent can score and summarize them cleanly. Step 11. AI agent. Score and summarize. This node reviews the tender details and creates a useful summary. It also helps score the tender so you can quickly understand whether it is worth attention. Step 12. OpenAI Chat Model. Under the AI agent, we have OpenAI Chat Model. This is the model connected to the AI agent. It powers the scoring and summarization step. Step 13. Google Sheets. Append new tenders. This node saves the new tender records into a Google Sheet. That sheet becomes the tracking log for all discovered tenders. Step 14. Telegram. Send tender alert. This gives you a quick tender notification on Telegram, so you can see important tender updates without opening the sheet. Step 15. Send a message. This node sends the tender alert through Gmail. It can be used to notify the team or decision makers by email. Step 16. Slack. Send tender alert. This sends the tender update into Slack, so your internal team can review the opportunity quickly. That's the AI tender alert system built in n8n. It checks the eProcure portal automatically, extracts tender listings, filters new tenders, picks the latest records, scores and summarizes them with AI, logs everything in Google Sheets, and sends alerts through Telegram, Gmail, and Slack. And with the error alert flow, you also know when the workflow fails. For teams that regularly track government or procurement opportunities, this saves manual checking and makes tender discovery much faster. If you want more builds like this, the kind that make your automations production ready, not just demo ready, come join the school community. Links right below this video. See you in the next one.